Okay, so we are back again. We want to test our application for it to work. But let's go back to the browser. You remember we had to visit the 127.0.0.1/face detection. We knocked on our house door, then we told them we want to do face detection. They sent us to face detection. When we got to face detection, we said we want we want to upload and forms. How about immediately you come to our house? The moment you reach there and you knock, the security man, let's say for instance, what we only do in our house, all the rooms, we do face detection. We want it in a way that the moment you come and you knock, the security man will just direct you straight away, go to face detection. To do that, we just need to go to our application. Then we go to our project urls.py file. This time around, instead of someone saying I want to do face detection, we don't want the person to say anything, so we leave the route empty. We don't want them to say anything. Then we go back to our face ID application, our urls.py file. Whenever a user says they don't want anything, they don't say anything, they just knock and they don't say anything, we want you to also direct them straight here. So when you come and you knock on the security door, you don't say anything, you just knock, we open. Once we open, it takes you straight away to our face ID room. You also knock, you don't say anything, we open the template function for you, then you work with it. That is how we'll be able to achieve this. You keep the route empty. What it means is that this time around, when we go back to our application, and we type 127.0.0.1 on port 8000 and we hit enter, it will take us directly to our face detection application. We don't need to ask the security man for direction anymore. That is how you can achieve that. So let's test our application and see. Let me upload image 1. Let me use my own image here. And image 2, let me also select my own image as well. So image 1 is me and image 2 is also me. Let's click on compare faces and see if it is going to work. The system is thinking. Okay, we had a result. It says the same person. Let's try it on 2 different people and see. Let me select myself for image 1. And select my niece for image 2 and click on compare faces. Okay, it says different people. Don't know if you could see this. Let me zoom in a bit. Okay, and let's try it again. Let me refresh. Let me select image 1 as myself and image 2 also as myself and try it again. Compare faces. It's doing the encoding and passing it to our compare faces, and it says the same person, which is true. Let me try again. The first image, which is myself, and the second image, which is my niece, and let's see. Okay, so it worked. It said different people. So that is how you'll be able to build a simple biometric system to determine whether 2 people are of the same person or different people. And remember, we did several things. We imported several libraries, including NumPy, Pillow, face recognition, and also render. We created a function to compare the faces. We created another function to present the user with a template, and when we pick the images, we clean them, we open them, then we save it as a temporary image.jpg. Then we pass the images to our compare faces function. Compare faces function will also load them, will do the encoding, check whether there is a face, and also check whether the face is of the same person or different people. So that is it for this particular project. And also I will recommend, if you want to go into details into this, practice. It's what is going to make you perfect. So you need to practice. And if you want to dive more into Python and the Django framework, I will recommend probably you stick around onto the channel, and as time goes on there will be some other tutorials on it as well.